Alright everybody, today we've got a 2008 Peterbilt 389 48-inch coffin sleeper, Cat C15 engine up front, Eaton Fuller 13-speed transmission, 235-inch wheelbase, 11R 24 fives all the way around. On aluminum rims, sliding fifth wheel, does come with the bracket to put a pin in to pull a frameless dump. Some nice shot of your chrome here in the rear, nice shot of those stacks as well. Truck does have air ride all the way around. On your rear, on your cab. Some more chrome. Look at those stacks. Got a nice shot of that Cat engine up front. Plenty of lights on this truck, folks. You will be seen. Beautiful blue paint on this truck as well. Come check this truck out here at Southern Equipment Sales here in Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website at southernequipmentllc.com. We thank you for watching our video.